In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set holidays in Calendly. Setting up holidays properly is really important if you want to avoid people booking meetings with you on days when you're officially off, like public holidays or company-wide breaks. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find the holiday settings in Calendly and how to connect them to the correct country so your availability updates automatically. Let's get started from inside your Calendly account. Once you're logged in, look toward the main navigation where you manage when you're available. Here, you'll want to click on Availability. This is the section where Calendly controls all your working hours and booking rules. Think of it as your central hub for when people can and can't schedule time with you. After you've opened the Availability area, look for the option labeled Advanced Settings and click on it. Advanced Settings is where Calendly keeps more detailed controls that go beyond your basic time slots. This is exactly where the holiday options live, so anytime you need to fine-tune things like time zones, buffers, or holidays, this is the place to go. Once you're inside the Advanced Settings page, locate the section called Holidays. Go ahead and open that. This is where Calendly lets you automatically block off dates based on recognized holidays, rather than you having to manually mark each one as unavailable. If you've ever had to manually update your calendar every year, this feature will save you a lot of time. Within the holidays section, you'll see an option to select a country. Click on the country field. Calendly uses this setting to pull in the official public holidays for that specific location. For example, if most of your clients or your team are based in a particular country, you'll want to choose that one so the correct public holidays are recognized. After choosing your country, Calendly will use that holiday calendar to automatically mark those dates as unavailable for bookings, depending on how your account is set up. If you work with multiple regions, you may want to double check your event types and schedules to ensure they're using the right availability settings linked to these holidays. Once you've confirmed your country selection, review your availability to make sure the upcoming holidays are reflected the way you expect. That's all there is to it. You've now set up holidays in Calendly so your time off is protected and your scheduling stays professional and organized.